can see. Right? Setting up for, just like you said, it's going to be back over there. Right? The others are kind of, what's the quality of lifting, right? Are you pushing out, okay. I feel like I got it every 360 starts. We got to get going, guys.
Anthony, go ahead and get on the flight plan here. Start headed out, Anthony, here, out toward the roundhouse. Gaining more altitude here while you're pushing down. Jesus Christ. Making progress towards the LZ there. Everybody above the roundhouse.
Christ. Holy fuck. That's my first cloud base.
Awesome. If you end up going in the cloud, remember. As I'm heading out towards it right now to get around this cloud. We aren't super excited if we end up landing there, but it is a suitable LZ. After Westmont College.
Made it all the way up to the ground base. Flew from way over there. Didn't quite stay with the other guys. Kind of bombed out a little bit, and I'm in the middle of nowhere. But someone's gonna come pick me up. So, awesome day.
Yeah, I mean, 6668, I mean, zeros again. You've given all that altitude back going on this.
You're gonna believe you're gonna get up and stay, and that's what it's taught. And then just be conservative in your choices. And that's kind of it. So yeah, it was. I think they were like 5 minutes.
And the weaker pieces of lift are going to drift. So that's called a collector. It's collecting the heat, and when it releases, it will be strong.
Right over that, and then that didn't work. You know what? It wasn't a good day to paraglide.
I sold
New site with no,
Be willing to learn from criticism and find lessons and inspiration in the successes of others. Right? That's a big one.
I showed you where it was, you're all just driving around, driving fast and nothing. Hey Steffi, good angle. I would extend towards Michael, Steffi. You got a good big thermal right in front of your left. Nice guys, we got this shit. No, I'm staying at VOR, but we'll move there if ideal conditions change here. But for now, this site seems appropriate. Nice job. see. Oh, nice. It's probably, I think, what Sim Diner calls the rebound.